Hey all, here is some more tips on the Samsung Ecobubble washer. Now I've been reading the manual so you don't have to. This is a tip on if you've got badly stained clothes and you want the most intense setting, right? So if I turn it on, now if I come down to, let's say, baby care, what you can do is, you see this here, this is what's called the bubble soak. And this uses bubbles to most effectively wash your clothes. And the reason why I chose baby care for this example actually is because you can add on the intensive. Now by pressing the little hand icon is the options button, and if I press it, now you get that dirty t-shirt icon, which is to add an intensity to the wash. Now if I toggle through, that also then you can add a pre-wash and have the intensive. That is going to give you the most intensive wash you can get from this machine. And you can see it's on 60 degrees Celsius, which is the highest of the wash cycles. The Eco Drum Clean goes to 70, but I don't think you can get up to that on any of the wash cycles. So if you add in both the bubble soak by pressing that, you see the time goes up, and also then set it on the intensive wash, and the pre-wash then does a preliminary wash cycle as well, so you're getting maximum wash times. Now the bubble soak is also only available on certain cycles, and the manual says it's only available on the cotton, synthetics, denim and baby care cycles, so you could use whichever one of those best works for you. Now I'll do another video on all the different cycles and what you can do. Now check out this video for more, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.